When faced with a difficult situation involving someone's actions or words, it's important to try and understand their perspective rather than turning it into a personal battle. This can be achieved by developing a more tolerant outlook, learning about different people and cultures, and empathizing with others. Instead of dismissing someone outright, ask for an explanation to gain a better understanding of their views. It's also helpful to avoid making accusations or assumptions by using I statements instead of you statements in conversations. If the situation becomes intolerable, it may be necessary to address the conflict and work towards a resolution. Additionally, valuing and appreciating difference is crucial for fostering tolerance. By accepting uncertainty and educating yourself about other cultures and beliefs, you can become a more tolerant individual.